All right, so this problem is asking, what is the total amount of water in the tank at any arbitrary time t? So if you could pick 10 seconds, for example, with an equation, you'd be able to find the total amount of water at 10 seconds or any time in the interval they're giving you. Now, it says that the interval is from t is equal to 0 to 120, but that is unnecessary because if we just have it in terms of any time t, we could plug in anything between 0 and 120. So this is redundant information. All right, so we have a tank and the water's being pumped in at 8 gallons per minute. And we start with some initial amount of water in the tank, which is 30 gallons, and it's being leaked at a rate, which I'll call RL. And that is being leaked at a rate of root t plus 1. So the total amount of water at any time is going to be equal to the water pumped in minus the water lost plus the initial amount. Okay, and we can kind of do the associative property here to just kind of show you that this quantity is the net gain or net loss of water. So this water pumped in becomes an integral 0 to t times the rate it's pumped in, dt. And then the water lost is minus, because we're losing water, 0 to t, the integral of t plus 1 dt. What we can do is, this integral is trivial, it becomes 8t. Now we do a u substitution for this integral, so you say u is equal to t plus 1, so du over dt is equal to 1, and therefore du is equal to dt. And we change the bounds from 1 to u because when t is equal to 0, this right here becomes 0 plus 1 equals u. So that's the lower bound. And when t is equal to t, u minus 1 is equal to t. So the bounds change from u is going from 1 to u minus 1. And then what we'll have is we'll have the total amount of water at any time will be 8t minus, so you go plus 1, which will be 3/2. So it'll be 2/3 times u minus 1. So yeah, okay. It'll be u minus 1 to the 3/2 minus 1 to the 3/2 plus the original amount. And then WT is just going to be equal to 8t minus 2. So we need to put it in terms of time again. So if u minus 1 is equal to t, we can just say t, right? So this will just be negative 2/3 t plus 1, and we can incorporate that into W naught. So we can say plus 1 plus W naught. And since W naught is 30, we can just simplify this to WT is equal to 8t minus 2/3 t. Sorry, 2/3 t to the 3/2. That's what I was missing. Plus 31 gallons because W naught is 30. And that should be your general equation.